Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to show you guys some fun Happy Mail that I got, and I want to show you guys how I'm putting together a Christmas junk journal using a paper bag, and I want to show you guys how I construct it together, just like the cover part of it, just to pop in and show you guys that. But I am super excited. I got this from April, so thank you, April. I was so surprised. She messaged me and it was like, I have a big envelope coming in the mail for you, and I'm like, what? I was super excited. So I want to thank her. This is so much fun. And what she sent me is, it's really cool. Never dyed these before or played with any of this, but it's a coffee dyed tray liner. So like for the dental, like at the dentist, and they put it in to put their tools and stuff on. So it's that kind of material, and it's really tactile and really nice. It's got all the nice little bumpies on it and stuff. It's got a really cool feel to it. And she coffee dyed it. I mean, it smells great. I love it. I love the smell of coffee. Okay, so we got this, and then she sent me some to play with for myself here. Ooh. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I have no clue what I'm going to make with these, but it's going to be so much fun, and I will definitely do a video on something. So these are pretty cool, and I'll look up on Amazon and see if I can find maybe a link, and I can put it down below for you guys to see if we can find these on Amazon, and these would be fun to play with. Okay, so I got that, which is really cool. Okay, and then she said she got this at Target. So what it is just it's the canvas pads, just for painting on and stuff, which is amazing. I mean, I love this. This is nice and thick too. So it's those really cool, like, just canvas pads. So I mean, how fun would this be? I mean, that's going to be fun to do something with for sure. I'm about to put on my thinking cap for this. This is going to be so fun. I mean, I am excited, and any kind of ideas you guys have, please comment down below. Let me know. Let me know anything you guys could think of that would maybe be a good project that you guys want to see me make with this stuff. I mean, it is just so cool, and it's so tactile. I can't stop touching it. It's so nice to feel it. I love it. I love it. So I got a couple pages of those. I mean, she sent me all this. It's just so nice of her. Okay, and then I got that, and then, yes, there's more. I got fun ephemera here. Some really cool stuff to play with. They're all coffee dyed, and I'm not sure. This must be ink. I think it's the ink dyed, or I don't think that's coffee dyed. Maybe it is. It turned a really cool color though. Look at how dark that is. I mean, isn't that really neat? Wow. Well, April, if you're watching, let me know. Is this one coffee dyed too? Because, I mean, that looks really dark. I like that. That was really cool. And then some really, like, a glassine bag. I mean, how fun is that? And then some more that I could play with and dye. I love it. And some of the order sheets for the menus. Those are really great. I mean, look at that. And then another Rolodex here. A little card I can add to this one. So here, it's already grunged up for me. So I'll put this in here so I can play with that one. And then there we go. So they can hang out with these little guys. So there, that's perfect. So I'll put that over here. And, oh yeah, I mean, these are really cool. Daily schedule, like shaped like a tag. I mean, how cool is this? So I just wanted to pop up and show you guys this. I mean, this is so much fun that she would go and take her time out and to send me some fun little thingies to play with. I mean, look at this. These are so cool. Like, how fun are those? Those are really neat to put stuff in. So, April, you are awesome and amazing, and thank you so much. And I will definitely be making some fun things with these, for sure. Okay. So let's just put this to the side for now. And then what I wanted to show you guys today is some fun Christmas. Well, I figured let's mess with some Christmas fabrics. How fun is that? So what I did is I started off with a paper bag, and it's just a little like lunch size bag, you know, like you would put your kids' lunches and stuff in. And you got the little part here. I went ahead and glued some velvet closure here. I just glued them on each side, and it's really cool, velvety. And just took a little rick-racky little thing right here and just put that on the side. I glued it there, okay? And then I went ahead and just cut out to size my fabrics that I want to put on it. So I just want to show you guys how I construct this together and put them together. And I took a mac and cheese box. This macaroni and cheese. And I recycled it and put, or upcycled it, I guess, you know. And put my really cool little snowman. I mean, look at how cute they are. Little snowman fabric. I mean, how fun is that? It's got a little birdhouse and the words and little birds all around. So I went ahead and did that, and I did a little key charm here and a little eyelet because this is going to be the front cover. So I just went around and just sewed. I just did some zigzag stitching and some straight stitching and just kind of did, you know, back and forth. We got a little squirrel here. I mean, how fun is that, you guys? Okay, so I went ahead and cut these to size how I want to place them in my journal. Used up my little mac and cheese box. Now, what I want to do is I just cut these to size. I ripped them and then frayed them. So it's got little frayed edges. And this is going to be my front of my journal, like this. Okay. So I'm just going to place it on there. And what I'm going to do, because I'm going to sew. But if you guys do not want to sew, then I would suggest that you use some fabric glue, which this is a great glue, just the Fabrifix glue. Works great on fabric and all kinds of stuff. So that's my suggestion. Or Fabri-Tac is a good one too. But for now, I'm just gonna use my Yoo-Hoo stick and just put it in the middle here because I don't want to get the edges too much because my needle will get all gummed up with the glue. So I'm just going to do that. And I like to lay it like this so I can see how it's going on. Okay. And then I can line it up like that. Have the edges how I want them, poking out. I like them, it's a little bigger, which I like the look of that. Okay. So there we go. So we got that. And then I went ahead and just did a little fun, just a little stitching here and added another extra piece because I had it too small. And then I went ahead and put the little rick-rack here. And then I was like, okay, then I can move this out a little bit like that. And have that show. And then I just added a little strip here. So just kind of made it work. I pieced it together with some scraps here. So that one's going to go there. Okay. So we'll do a little gluing. And this is going to be a little tuck spot. So that's going to be fun. And I always go through and try to glue down these little flaps. I went through with my Fabrifix glue and just kind of, or it might have been my art glitter glue, which works great too. I think I just glued just the little flaps, the little flyaways and stuff. Okay. So we're doing that and then just pop that down. I like the strings hanging. So just put that where you want it. Yeah, so paper bags, definitely keep them. I mean, anytime, you know, if somebody's like, you want a bag? I'm like, yep. Go to the pharmacy. Those are the perfect. I love those sizes too. You know, when I go get my prescriptions and stuff, and I'm like, yes, I do want a bag. Because they're a really great size, you know. Now, this one, I'm going to slide underneath here. Like that. And I just did it far enough so it, you know, you can't see it. Okay. So we're just going to take our glue stick. So I just thought this would be a fun little Christmas journal with our little fabrics. Okay. So I am going to go to the sewing machine, and I am just going to take it and sew all the way around it like that, and then leave this open for a little tuck. So I will be back. All right, so I went and sewed around the edge. Okay, and make sure to save your threads. Those are great. They're great for clusters. Okay, always save your threads. Now I'm going to take it and fold it where I want it. There we go. Just fold it in half. There we go. All right, start gluing. So we'll start with the cover here. And this one is my cover. I think it's so cool. It's a little key and got a little bulb pin on it with some just little beads hanging off of it. Okay, so I'm going to put this here. So I'm just going to glue it to the front. I just love using up any kind of food boxes. I mean, cereal box will work, any kind of, cardstock stuff that you get in packaging and things like that. I mean, it's great to save them. You just feel good about using them up, instead of just throwing them in the landfill. Just, having them go to waste. All right, so let's do this. There we go. Isn't that cute? How fun is that? So, I mean, you do the same thing. It doesn't have to be fabric, and you don't have to sew. Those are just, options if you wanted to. But use your pretty papers. Do the exact same thing, and just make it with your papers and stuff, and glue those down, and get those how you like them, and yeah. Went overboard on the glue here. So we got our cover. I mean, is that fun? I mean, look at how pretty it is. I love the red, and then it brings out the red and the cardinals and stuff. All right, so we got that. Now I got my inside one here. My inside pocket. Go like that with that. I love that. Is that so cool? And we got our little it's more of a tuck because it only goes to like here. So, but so much fun. Okay, so we got that one, and then it's just whichever one I want to put on the inside here. I don't think it really mattered. I think I might do this one. So now the cool thing about this is you can put it in and just glue around the three sides and make this a little pocket too also, which I think I will do because I think that'll be fun. I'll give it a little extra pocket on the back. So I'm going to glue here, here, and then right there. So just on the three sides. And then find where we want to put it. I'll keep my threads out. There we go. There, how fun is that? Let's take my little, let's have a little rag here. Look at that, you guys, that's fun. We'll let that set up and then we'll check it out and see how good that works out. Okay, and then we got the back. So I'm just gonna place this back here. It's just a fun way. I mean, you can even just go through, use up your scraps, with your mac and cheese, like your cereal boxes, any kind of food boxes and stuff. Go through those scraps, go through your paper scraps, and just sit and glue them down. Just take it, glue them down, and they're great to use for in journals. You can use them as pockets. You can use them as belly bands. I mean, you can use them for covers, backs of them. You know, you can use them all kinds of things. You can even make these a little booklet. Like I could take 2 of these and make a little booklet with them, like front cover and back cover, and have a little booklet that you could put a little signature in the middle and clip it to your journal and stuff. And oh, there's so many different things you can do. Just kind of fun to use up everything, you know. Okay, so I'm just gonna glue this one down. There is always so many options. Okay, I'm just gonna place, there we go. And this Fabrifix glue works really good. Gives a good hold, you know. Let's play with this again. I like a little Rolodex. We'll do April's little thing here. Look at that. I mean, how cool is that? So there, you got a little pocket in here on the inside that you can do, and on the front. So you can just slide that in, just like that. So that is super fun. I just wanted to pop on real quick and show you guys this and tell April thank you again. I mean, that's just so really nice, really nice. I really appreciate it. And I will find something to do with those for sure. We'll have some fun video that I can put together and we can do together. So this is just, I wanted to show you guys how to do a cover with the paper bag. And you, of course, got your awesome crinkle. I mean, we got our crinkles. We need our crinkles. And you can just add your signature in there, however you want it. And this is just a fun little, and you got your, you know, little tie already. And there we go. So that turned out really fun. And they're all sewn in, so they're not going anywhere, or just glue them really good. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And if you could, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys will see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.